welcome aboard and welcome here in El Nido po. So don't forget the name of our boat because later on po, when we arrive at our destinations, there is a lot of boat already. So NBCA El Viajes number 2. And welcome here in El Nido po, ma'am and sir. El Nido po is located at the northern part of Palawan, which is composed of 45 islands, 18 barangays in one municipality. So this is the first class municipality in Palawan and one of the best, among the best island in the Philippines po, ma'am and sir. So we organize 40 different kind of tours like A, B, C, and D. But one at a time, our itineraries part of tour A. I am right po. All of you are going to try po. Yes. So if we're wrong boat or wrong tour po, ma'am and sir, at least we have 10 back. Through swimming po. Okay, so tour is composed of 4 to 5 destinations. It depends on the water visibility po at outside part. And based on our postcard, our weather today is getting strong and strong, especially in the afternoon. Okay, so as of now, we have Big Lagoon, Secret Lagoon, snorkeling area, lunch area, and our 7 Commando. So our first destination is Big Lagoon. Big Lagoon po, ma'am and sir. So it takes at least 30 to 35 minutes po approximately, but it depends on the water visibility po at outside part. So as of now, once again, we have Big Lagoon, Secret Lagoon, if ever po, ma'am and sir, because Secret Lagoon, that is one of the farthest destination of kind of our tour. So it depends on the situation po, if we are able to visit the place. But if not, so that is it's a secret for everybody po. Okay, so after Big Lagoon, we have Secret Lagoon, snorkeling area, lunch area, and the last one is 7 Commando. 7 Commando is not belonging island. That is part of mainland Commando, sir. But there is no other way or any access to go on that place. Yeah, by boat on. Okay? Since we have hopping activities, we also have some rules and regulations that we need to follow. First one, we have to use our life jacket. So this is the compared with the tour, especially for those non-swimmer and during navigation. Okay? And then we are not allowed to collect anything from the beach po. Some corals, sand, stone that we can see in every destination. That is strictly prohibited. Okay? And then for the mask and snorkel that we borrow or rent earlier po from our office, you are the one to take care of that because if you lose it or broke it po, intentional or intentional, we will charge you on top of the mask. And I just want you to know that mask and snorkel is without water. It's directly from the water. Okay? And for our snorkeling area, we are not allowed to touch or chasing any marine life po. And we are not allowed to step on the corals. Okay? And we have food on board po, ma'am and sir. So anyone here have allergy about food like seafood po, ma'am and sir? I just want you to know that we don't have any medicine for allergies po. Okay? In our company, we are not allowing to give some medicine. Okay? That's it for the meantime po, ma'am and sir. Good morning again and happy for this trip. Any question po regarding the narrator po, ma'am and sir? Wala naman po. Any pilot reaction? Wala rin. Thank you so much for listening po, ma'am and sir. So if you have any question, don't